friends, welcome to my channel Global Technology. Today I'll show you making a DC voltage regulating circuit. To make this circuit, we might need some electronics components. Let's introduce with them. Before starting this video, if you are new here to my channel, be sure to subscribe this channel. And if you already done, then you are a genius. To make this circuit, first we need one piece positive linear voltage regulator. Its value LM317. It's have 3 terminal. 3 terminal have different names. On number, 2 number, 3 number. On number adjustable, 2 number voltage out এবং 3 number voltage in. Volume B100K. Resistor 560 ohms. SMD LED light 12 volt. Connect resistor with adjust and voltage out leg. Connect volume middle leg with adjust leg. Now we will connect power input cable. We are using 24 volts. This circuit can adjust up to 37 volts. Connect DC positive cable with voltage in leg. Connect DC negative cable with volume on number leg. To show you, we are using two DC meter. One is for input voltage and the other one is for output voltage. Now we connect this circuit with heatsink. We might remember that we might need to use a circuit separator. For output voltage, we are using this connector. Connect output positive cable with voltage out leg. Connect DC output negative cable with volume. Here we connected DC input cable. Our circuit is now ready for use. This is voltage input cable and this is voltage output cable. Our circuit is now ready for use. You can adjust 1.5 volt to 37 volt using this circuit. This is our output meter and this is voltage input meter. This meter starts from 4 volt so that we cannot see 1.5 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt. We just can see 4 volt to 24 volt. Now I am adjusting. You can see when there are 4 volt, then the meter works. There are 4.32 volt. While I am moving this volume, then our meter is showing voltage. Voltage is increasing. You can see, and this is our input meter. There are still 24 volt. You can see there are 22.5 volts. And we are regulating this voltage using this circuit perfectly. You can make this circuit at home easily. Now we use a LED light to show you. Now I remove DC output meter. And connect this positive cable with LED positive leg. And negative with negative leg. This is a DC 12 volt LED light. For that we are using DC 12 volt and this is our input voltage. Now I adjust. You can see LED light is glowing to show you better, I off this studio light. You can see our circuit is working perfectly, and you can make this circuit at home easily. You can use this circuit as like a school project, college project and other thing. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.